name is Preston and I am 8 years old.
Hello, my name is Landon and I'm 6 years old.
Hello, my name is Michael and I'm 6 years old.
This year I learned how to program light sensors to follow different kinds of light.
What did you learn, Landon?
I learned how to use
The touch sensor?
sensors to
Hello. I learned how to build Legos.
This year we built bumper cars and we programmed them to go forwards, then to bump into the walls and bump into each other. And whenever the walls hit the bumps, the touch sensor, they would bump back. And whichever one hit the back wall first and knocked it down won.
We built a train and we put a sensor to follow the line.
You want help? Tell them how you built the concession stand. Preston, why don't you help him? Okay, have Preston help you.
What we did for the concession stand is we made a box using block pegs as right angles, and we used beams to support it, and we made a box which is a restaurant.
Static, dynamic, electronic.
Oh, for the bumper cars, the static was the pegs in beams because they did not move and they were strong. The dynamic was the axles, the wheels, and then the electric part was the motor and the wires, the touch sensor, and NXT.
Can you explain the static parts of the train?
Beams and pegs.
Michael, can you explain the the dynamic parts of the train?
The wheel and the axles.
Okay, go ahead and show your programs. Explain them first.
For the program, what we did was so whenever it was on the white line, the light sensor was on the white line, then it would move forward, and whenever it got off onto the carpet, then it would move the opposite way.
Want to show it? Put it on the ground.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Oh my god, you go so slow.
It'll be on the white tape, right?
If you wanted to go forward, you have to get the clock and then start it over and forward.
No.
Okay, let it play. Let it
Just like this.
Did you program a sound with it too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not us.
Not us.
To teach you.
They help. Hey, good job, guys. That one looks really good. Good job, guys.
That's right.
That's fine. That's fine.
It's a train. It's not supposed to be super fast. Can we show them your next ride?
Yeah, good off.
You can show it up on the table. Wait, you can fix it later. Let's do the next one.
We didn't feel the bumper cars.
It's upstairs. Go ahead and explain the program, Landon. Preston, do you want to help him?
The first ride we built were the bumper cars, and they are a fun ride and used for bumping around and having a lot of fun. And we will show you how they work.
Down, down.
Oh, they're just going to do it up there, Michael. Uh-oh.
We can't see.
Well, it did what it was supposed to do. It knocked over the walls, right?
It's not over all the walls.
Landon, do you remember how we programmed it? What kind of blocks we used? on the microphone?
It's a roll.
Preston, do you remember what kind of blocks you used?
The blocks we used to program it were called move blocks. And we also used endless, well, we repeated the process a lot of times so it worked endlessly. As in, whenever something hit the touch sensor, like that, it would bump back. Any questions?
Campers, do you have any questions?
Did you use a loop on that one?
It was, yeah, so it worked over and over.
So it just went over and over until what happened?
Until the touch sensor hit it and it would move back and it would keep on going until we turned it off.
So what did you use inside the loop block to go from one or the other option? What was that called?
Move.
Starts with an S. Do you remember?
Switch block.
A switch block. Good. Any other questions?
Any other questions?
Campers, do you have any questions?
What was the hardest part of making?
The hardest part was when we started it would just go backwards and it wouldn't go forwards. Yeah, it would just stay there. Any more questions?
What was the most fun to do?
I think it was the train because we had to program it so many times, and also because like everybody was following us around when we put it.
We had a good crowd.
Yeah.
Landon, can you use the mic and tell us what was the hard part of the train cars?
To be able to climb. To put the train together.
What happens when it went around curve? You told me earlier.
If it hit the carter, it goes backwards. It would bend up the cars. So we had to fix it again. Any other questions?
Good job, guys. Awesome. All right, let's have our next group up here.